Norwegians, because of the lay of the land, they took off with ships and met England and Ireland and went on further to Iceland. So they colonized and plundered that direction. The Swedes took off to the east because that was the way of the trade routes and where plunder was closest. And Danes went south to Normandy and also England.
Ja! I vil slås, hva?
Helt Thor. Ja, mit navn er Ivan Larsen. Jeg er 52 år gammel og arbejder på en efterskole. Her hvor jeg også bor i en tjenestebolig. Nej, jamen det er jo Thor, og han er karakteristisk ved sit røde skæg. I Danmark, der har vi jo i fornside omkring 600 medlemmer, og det ligger forholdsvis stabilt, det tal der. Han har 3 attributter, og den ene det er hammeren. Vi skelner i Asestroen, der skiller vi jo mellem 2 forskellige gudslægter, aserne og vanerne, hvor man regner med, at vanerne det er den ældste af gudslægterne. Den anden det er styrkebæltet, og den tredje det er handsken, som han skal bruge til at gribe sin hammer med, når han har kastet den.
Og vi drog nord til England, og der tog vi så deres kvinder. Og det var fordi, at vi havde ikke flere kvinder i Danmark. Det vil sige, ja, så blev vi sgu nødt til at tage derover, og så ville det tage deres kvinder igen.
The Vikings in what we call the Viking Age were very much the same kind of people. They were just populated in Scandinavia, so the difference was not big, if any.
We are the Vikings.
But why are you better than Norway?
Because we have 4 seasons.
Hvis vi absolut skal tvinges ind i det spørgsmål der, så var der nogle danske vikingehøvdinger, som satte lidt på nordmændene dengang. Det var altså Svend Tveskæg, han satte på en del af Norge, og hans søn Knud, han sad også som overkonge i Norge på et tidspunkt. Knud den Store. Der er ingen tvivl om nordmændene, det har været nogle seje mennesker, i og med at de har kunnet bevæge sig tværs over Atlanten i deres små vikingesejlskib der. Det har været rigtig hårdføre, men ingen tvivl om det.
Also the English was jealous of the Vikings because they were clean and they were good looking, and so the women looked after them instead of the Englishmen, and they were pretty bummed about that. So
the Vikings just plundered where it was easiest. If they met opposition, they took off in the ships and they were gone. So they took plunder where it was easiest to get, and the only one that really could ride at that time was the monks, and they lived in seclusion with a lot of riches, so they were an easy target.
Yes, and Norway haven't been king of all 3 Norwegian countries. Denmark, Danish have been the ruler of all 3 countries. So of course we're the better Vikings.
What?
what do you have that Norwegians don't?
We have a weekend. It's my birthday today.
Erik the Red Guy, he was a king of Denmark a long time ago, and I think he was king when Denmark was united with Sweden and Norway and England, part of England.
I think Erik got in a kind of skirmish with the Norwegian king's men and killed one of them, had to flee to Iceland, and he killed a man there as well because he was a hothead, and then he sailed to Greenland and settled there.
We drink a lot, yeah. The Danish people are more open to things like sex and violence, drugs.
And drugs, yes. And we drink
Also,
a lot more.
Vikings, they ate a lot of mushrooms back in the day and got stoned by that. So it's kind of, if you look at Danish culture now, they're doing the same.
And Norway is coming here and bringing. I promise you.
Goal!
Cheerio.